everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks so much for joining me. Well, today I get to share with you the Small Die of the Month Club kit from Spellbinders. This is the December kit and it is called Our Favorite Font Sentiments. And it's a 14-piece set and it has sentiments for just about every occasion. The nice thing about this set is everything's separated so you can customize them. You can create thinking of you, love you. That looks like an XO, but it's actually a 2. You can spell out the word hey you. You can do the thank you. Sending you, you could put wishes or sending you happy wishes would be fun. You could put sending you love. Then you get your birthday. So of course you can customize happy birthday. You could put happy birthday to you. You could put happy birthday wishes with sympathy, congrats. You could put happy wishes. You can go congrats to you. Just sky's the limits, guys. You can mix and match to your heart's content and customize your own personal sentiment. For today, we are going to be using happy birthday to you. We're going to make a birthday card, and it's a pretty simple card today. But I love the font on these dies, and I love Spellbinders included them in the Small Die of the Month Club kit, because a lot of times in the Small Die of the Month Club kit, there's no sentiments. So this is nice to have in your stash. For my card today, since it's the birthday card, we're going to bring in a balloon. This balloon here is from the Stay Wild stamp set. It is available over at the Spellbinder shop, sold separately. Mine happened to be from a card kit, but this is one of the card kit extras. So I'll link that down below. But I stamped 3 balloons and then I colored them in. I colored them in just with some simple code book markers, an orange, a yellow, and a purple. And then I fussy cut them out. So it was pretty easy to do. Now I'm going to create a panel. My panel today, I'm going to be using a Spellbinders die set that's so neat. This is called the Amazing Paper Grace Venice Lace die set. And it creates a stitch almost detail. Just the dots in it is really neat. Okay, we're going to make a portrait landscape style card today, and so I'm going to go ahead and adhere a 2-inch piece of black cardstock down the middle of my card base. And then I thought I could get away with not matting it with black cardstock, but I think just to give it a more finished look, I'm going to matte my smaller panel here with some black cardstock on the back. Not really matting it, I'm just covering the back with black cardstock. This way I have black behind those polka dots. Okay, next we're going to add our sentiment. To do that, we're just going to use our glue, and I'm going to kind of offset it to the left a little bit because I want the balloons on the right. So we're going to add a little dots of glue. This would be nice too if you layered like 3 of the happies together. I cut out 3 of them to give your sentiment a little bit of dimension. But I'm not adhering it totally. I want to make sure of my placement before I tack it down permanently. And I think this is going to look great. Now I left a little bit of glue off of the end of the Y and the U. This way I could tuck my balloon strings underneath. Now on my balloons, I only put foam squares on the balloon portion. So the strings, I'm going to add a little glue behind, and then we're going to tuck those directly on our panel here, kind of going behind the sentiment. We'll add our purple balloon, then we'll go ahead and add our yellow one. Now I'm going to flip up that U and tack down my purple balloon string, and then add a little bit more glue. This way my U is right over the string. I'll do the same thing with my orange balloon string there. And I didn't need to leave that untacked, so I retacked it. Okay, we're going to add foam adhesive behind this panel. And then this is going to go in the center of an A2 size card base, which is a 4 1/4 by 5.5 side folding. Again, this is a landscape style card. And I think this is great for anybody, a boy or a girl. Lovely. Now I want to bring down a little bit more color, so I have some Fun Stampers Journey rainbow hearts here. If I can find them, I'll link them down below. I got these at the Spellbinder shop, and I'm not sure if they're still available or not. But any kind of rainbow stickers or heart stickers you have would work perfectly. And if you don't have heart stickers, I think you could use some Nuvo glitter drops to create your own little hearts. Since my hearts were shiny, I thought we would add glossy, not glossy accents, journey glaze to our balloons. But I did want to add a little bit of highlight using my white gel pen. And then we're going to go ahead and add our journey glaze. I made sure my gel pen was dry because sometimes if you add journey glaze over your white gel pen, it will kind of bleed out. So my balloons are nice and shiny. They coordinate with my little hearts. And that is my project today, guys, using the Spellbinders Small Die of the Month Club Kit. If you're interested in the Small Die of the Club Month Club Kit, I'll link it down below. It's a great value. It's only $15 a month. And you get a new die set sent to you every month in your mailbox. Thanks for joining me, guys. I wish you a lovely day, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.